Here's what you might have missed on our journey to East Iceland.
It's the last real coffee shop before the very long drive to the east.
Basically, we got coffee in a school bus and drove a lot.
We're going to check out this national park. I heard there was a neat lake to see, so we're going to see if we can get over this road. We're not very good at the 4x4, so we'll see how that goes.
The Hienaberg area is actually a small part of this massive Vatnajökull National Park, which occupies a lot of southeast Iceland. We took a 30 to 40 minute detour off the Ring Road, which was a perfect side trip on the way to Hub. The road is gravel, and while a regular car could technically do it in the summer, a high clearance vehicle is recommended. There are no river crossings, no cliff edge drama, just some rough patches, which are way easier with the right wheels. When we arrived there was a kayaking tour heading out, which really made for some fun droning.
But it was a really nice stop. We got to fly the drone, see some kayakers, get a glimpse of the sun. We have about another 4 hours, maybe 5.
The main draw here is Hienabergslón, a striking outlet glacier that has been retreating and reshaping the landscape. The melt has carved out a beautiful glacial lagoon with icebergs floating just offshore. We drove another hour as we approached Hub, the only city in the far southeast, and we were ready for some lunch.
We're in Hof.
Often.
Hof. Places I never thought I'd take you. We're at Hof.
Often.
Never thought I'd take you to Hof.
Often.
Often?
What you got there?
I got dinner.
Dinner at the Often.
After some quick internet research, we found an amazing diner with vegan options and milkshakes. We needed something quick because it was 5 p.m. and we had a lot more stops and a lot more driving.
How do you like Hoffa? Hoffen.
Hof?
Hof? How do you like Hof?
Whatever you say, I always say the opposite.
That's true for our whole marriage.
Often, I say Hof. Hof. Often. Hof. Ooh, there's birds over there.
That's pretty much our marriage.
It's actually pronounced Hub.
Hub?
Often.
Just past Hub is the Vestrahorn, a must-see stop in East Iceland, although we didn't actually see it.
At the Vestrahorn Mountain in the fog. Too bad we can't see the Vestrahorn. Hey, at least it's not raining and gusting winds.
Well, behind us is Vestrahorn if it comes out. Not sure we'll have time to see the Viking village, but there's a Viking village. You basically pay at the Viking cafe, and then you can take the car all the way to the end. It's really spectacular here, even in the clouds. Are you ready to go check out the other side? Okay, let's go check out the other side. Maybe the Vestrahorn will come out, but in the meantime, I'd like to go see some seals and birds. We found the Epcot of New Zealand, and I'm going to drive another 4 hours.
After leaving Vestrahorn, we finally made it to the Eastern Fjords, but we still had several hours to go.
We're in the Eastern Fjords!
We made it! We had heard about this waterfall, which was a nice pit stop, so we thought, why not drone? 7 p.m. We have to get to our place at some point tonight. It's about 3 hours from here, continuing on the East Fjords, hopefully stopping at some lighthouses.
stop is a roadside oddity, a red chair, perfect for photo ops and perhaps a puffin.
We don't know why this chair is here. It's here, so we're gonna sit.
About 3 hours later, we needed a snack, so enjoyed some of our fresh bread at Djúpivogur. Unfortunately, the museum was closed.
Oh wow, this is gonna be great. I'm so excited.
It's book time.
It's book time. Oh. You didn't even give me a piece? Really?
It was 10 p.m. and we had a decision to make. Should we continue along the ring road in the thick, thick fog? We could barely see the road at times. This route was much longer and included a pass, a tunnel, and several more fjords.
Welcome to Iceland.
Alternatively, we could take a shortcut along Route 939, the Öxi Mountain Pass, which was open for the season. The 939 was described as a steep, windy gravel road in questionable condition. Roads were empty out here in the middle of the night. We still had daylight left, but didn't know if the visibility would be any better along the pass, or if the weather would even get worse. Here are some scenes from the exciting conclusion to our drive to East Iceland.
Never-ending sun.